Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Manny, The Boy Who Lived 2.0 and Beauty Big Bang 13. I started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and this is The Boy Who Lived 2.0 by Moonshine Manny. This is so insane pretty. It's so different under all the different lights. I mean, a lot of times I saw like a major flash of green. And then you've got all those little speckles of flakies in there. Oh, this is a favorite. Love the brush. Love the application. The formula is so good on this one. Very, very nice. And this is the first coat, so it is a little sheer, but that's okay. We're going to build it up. Look at that brush. Look at all them colors. Oh, my. Ugh. Insane. So here we go with our second coat of The Boy Who Lived 2.0. I am so over the moon that I got this one. I'm so excited to have it in my collection. I really like this one. Here we go. Got to get over here on this side. Got to pinch that skin back. There we go. Stunning. Hi Woody, how you doing? There we have it. We're going to top this with Pure Ice, Girl on the Run. Nice thick coat of top coat. Get it to dry down. Ugh, I do love this one. It's so cool. Look at that thumb. Ah! It's just shockingly gorgeous. There's a swatch photo of it on its own. And here is Beauty Big Bang 13, and I'll be using Braves Diva Shutout, my Beauty Scraper, and my Conad Stamper. So I'm going to use this Christmas tree image on my middle nail. Not going to go too crazy today. I'm going to clean that off on my lint roller real quick. Then I'm going to turn this plate and I'm going to use this little jumping reindeer. And I'm going to want to use it straight up as it sits on one of the nails. But then I've got to figure out how to get it in the reversed image on my other nail. So there we go. We've got the one down. Yay. But I want it facing the other way on the other nail. So I'm going to break out my Sonia stamper. This is like my ride or die pick it up stamper. This is an oldie but a goodie. And I was trying to transfer it from stamper to stamper, but that wasn't working out for me. So I've decided I'm just going to stamp it. Can't see it. And I'm going to cover it with some of the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And I'm just going to make a decal so that I can flip it over. Yeah, there's more than one way to skin a cat, don't you know? And I am going to use that same top coat over the ones that I have stamped while I'm letting my decal dry. Love this smudge-free top coat. It was a game changer. So now that that is dry, I've peeled it off of the other stamper, but I'm going to place it on the stamper, the clear one, so that I can place it on my nail and see where I'm putting it. I'm going to use that Get a Grip from Vibrant Vinyls as my sticky base to make sure this decal lays down and sticks where I want it. And it sticks good. I'm doing a very, very thin coat of that, by the way. Super thin. I'm going to line this one up and ta-da! Now I'm going to mush it down with my finger. Or pat it down. Mush it, pat it, however you want to put it. I am going to go in with some acetone and kind of melt it to the sides. And even on the end, I did it a little bit. And then I'm going to top it again. Top it with some of the Maniology smudge-free top coat. Because I have flipped this, so now the side that did have top coat on it is facing down and the polished side sticking up. Now that that's all done, I'm going to top everything off with some Poshe top coat. Seal everything in. And believe it or not, I've worn this manicure on this hand for about 4 days, 5 days, 4 or 5 days, which is saying something for me. But the other hand I had to take off and do something else with. When I did this one, I did the other one something different, and it didn't last. We're having issues with that right hand. This one is still going strong. So there we go. Topping those babies all up. Get some more of that top coat. I was being stingy. Can't be stingy with the top coat. I mean, I don't like the opposite either. I don't like flooding them, but I don't like being stingy either. I want a nice layer of that top coat. Being sure to cap my free edge again. Look at that polish. It's just so pretty. So here is my manicure in motion. Get a little bit of that flashy flash going on. Gorgeous polish. And here is my final swatch photo of this manicure. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.